we talk about the three sisters. And the three sisters are really important in our culture. Why is this special? So there are a couple of things that are involved with this. This is where the science comes in. This is what I fall in love with because I'm a science nerd. Corn depletes nitrogen terribly badly. When they grow corn, they have to rotate the crops because you can't grow corn more than a year or two in the same spot. Or you have to put down so much fertilizer and so much garbage into the soil to replenish that nitrogen. Somewhere along the line, again, who knows why or how, we figured out that if you grew beans with the corn, two things happen. First, the beans have a way to grow, something to grow up. And the second thing is that beans are legumes. The bacteria in their roots replenishes the nitrogen in the soil. It's a nitrogen fixer. So what the corn takes out, the beans put back in. And then the kids would say, well, wait, but why squash? Okay, well, here's the thing. When you grow squash, what does it do? Oh, big time. Spreads out everywhere. It's got big, huge leaves, and those leaves have a couple of purposes. First of all, they shade the ground, so it holds the moisture. You don't have to water it as much. Second of all, squash. How many of you grow squash in your home gardens? What do you know about the leaves? Yeah, they don't feel good, do they? So the leaves of the squash are prickly, and they help keep the animals out of your garden. So a couple of good purposes here. So it creates a living mulch, keeps the soil cool, it keeps it moist, it protects from weeds, but raccoons and whatnot don't like the prickly stuff. So it's a very balanced kind of way to plant. Now the other thing is that corn, bean, and squash also create a totally balanced protein. Normally when you just eat plants, you need to supplement with meat or eggs or something. But beans and corn have all the amino acids. They make a complete protein. And then when you add the squash, if you choose to do so, that adds some vitamins that aren't in everything else. So the three sisters preserve the soil and make good food, complete food. You don't even have to have meat.